Hi,
Hi,
Pranav.
Pranav. Oh, let's sit here. Hi, Ken.
Oh, hi. Die fast. I need my turn. I win, I win. Oh!
Man, I missed it. Oh, I heard something.
Yeah, right. You heard something.
Oh, please don't hit. Let's go and see. Oh no,
Look at this.
it wasn't my mistake. The ball hit
Look
it.
at this. You killed a squirrel. Let's bury it.
Yeah, come on, let's do it.
Poor creature.
Ha, you can't do anything. Ow! Ow!
Are you fine?
Of course no.
Come, stand up. Let's go to the medical room.
Aman takes James to the medical room.
Was it that hard?
Yeah, it was, man.
I'm sorry, man. What happened? Did you get hurt?
And he hit me.
Sorry, man.
Late nights always lead to late mornings.
Wake up, James. Aman, we are late. Aman, we are late.
It's just 7:30, man.
You killed a squirrel. You killed a
Stop
squirrel.
it, man. That's enough.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm
Oh.
gonna kill him.
I'm so scared. We're late for school. Let's go. Let's get ready. Do you think we can get in?
Let's just run.
Bandar!
Come in. You three musketeers, do you have any idea what the time is? You are late again. When are you finally going to get serious in life? This is the last time I'm allowing you in.
Sorry,
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It will never happen again.
Go and join your classes. Up till now, they had become quite thick-skinned. And this time the excuse was,
Mom, James has symptoms of 3 deadly diseases.
Yes, ma'am. Swine flu, bird flu, and also brain fever.
what? Are you serious? Do you have a medical certificate?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's in the
my
bag.
Take it out.
Oh no, we left it in the auto.
What, Otto? Do you expect me to believe this? Take out your bag.
Even though we knew that there was no medical certificate, we kept on looking for it.
All right. You have a unit test tomorrow. Now go take your seat. PA. And they finally got hold of a French guy named...
Hey Pierre! Hey! What exam do you have tomorrow?
What exam? You know, exam tomorrow, which we have.
What exam do we have
Tomorrow! Is it French, Maths, Science, SST,
Process!
French, yeah. Oui. Yeah, good.
We could finally make out that it was French exam tomorrow.
French is so difficult. I wish Rahul was here. Yeah. It's a shame that he had to go for family emergency. I don't know. This is too hard. So hard. Let's get that French exchange student in. French. Oh, where is he? There. Oh. Hey. Come here. Go. Please. Please, come. S'il vous plaît. Laissez passer, s'il vous plaît. Non. S'il vous plaît, monsieur, please. Please explain. Yes, Français. Oui, je suis français. Explain. Français. Teach. He's getting it now. What is this? Reduction. What is this? The Lampard. And this is not working. We'll copy all his answers tomorrow in the...
Yeah. We will sit next to you.
Sit in the center. I sit here, he sit there.
Examination hall.
Toi.
Class. Yung class.
Ce n'est pas toi. No.
Class.
One desk. Show.
Class. Door. Teacher. Professor.
Oui, la professeur.
Yeah.
Où est la
You-
professeur? No.
You sit here.
I sit here.
He sit here.
And
I
he
sit
sit
here.
C'est you. I sit here. C'est you. Yeah.
You sit here.
You sit
here.
We
copy.
Coffee? Coffee? Oui, so c'est moi.
You write the exam.
I am sitting here. I see your answers and write here. Oui.
Good. Deal.
Oui.
For an iced tea?
We'll help you in maths.
Yeah, we will help you in maths.
Mathématiques. Oui, la mathématique.
Yeah.
J'aime la mathématique. Oui, la mathématique. Okay?
So deal?
Oui. Best
Good.
friends for life. Oui.
Hey!
But on the unit test day, they were late as usual. Come in, students. Why are you late?
Ma'am, Yogesh and I went to the court.
Yes, ma'am. I was
Court?
Yes, ma'am, because Yogesh was accused of killing the rare flying species squirrel.
a squirrel.
Oh my god.
Really, ma'am?
Not
Here-
again.
Here's the
ma'am.
proof.
Ma'am,
Show.
here is the proof. Under the RTO number 094321.
Yes,
Yogesh was accused of killing the rare flying species.
You
Squirrel.
students, both of you are totally unbelievable.
Remember, we are telling the truth. We are giving you the proof.
finish it on time. Please,
Now,
ma'am.
students, listen to this. You are late and you would appear for the unit test tomorrow. That's final.
Okay, ma'am.
The plan for cheating from the French guy had finally failed. Both of them were all set to appear for the exam. They wanted to sit together, but the teacher made them sit at two different corners. They were totally shattered after seeing the question paper. Students can never get away with anything and everything. They think that the teachers are not aware, but they know exactly where they're coming from. And that is what happened with these two.